Today, we will show you how to configure and control the Garmin Spectra lighting controller using a Garmin Marine Chartplotter. For this video, we will be using the Garmin GPS Map 743 and the Garmin Spectra, but the process is the same for all compatible chart plotters and Garmin Spectra lighting controllers. The Garmin Spectra lighting controller must first be installed per the installation instructions, connected to LED lights or speakers, and networked via NEMA 2000 to a compatible chart plotter running the most current software version. Power the system on and wait for the Garmin chart plotter and Garmin Spectra lighting controller to start communicating. The Garmin Spectra lighting controller module LED will blink green when it has successfully connected to the chart plotter. Now select the home icon on the Garmin chart plotter. Then select Vessel. Select Lighting. This will be the page where connected LEDs will show once they have been initialized. Next, select Options. Select Advanced Settings. Select Lights. Now select the desired LED from the list. Select Light Output. Then select the correct output for the LED from the options available. These options include RGB, RGBW, CRGBW, single channel, or not used. Toggle Identify to verify the correct light output has been selected. The LED will begin cycling. Repeat the previous steps for the remaining LEDs. The LED will pause momentarily if the incorrect light output has been selected. Return to the light output selection and choose the correct option for the connected LED. Then select Identify again. Select Identify again to exit test mode. You will see the LEDs properly initialized and ready for control. Finally, select Close to return to the main lighting page. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.